In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform objects in Midjourney. We'll start right from your browser. Open Google, then type Midjourney into the search bar and hit enter. From the results, click the official Midjourney website so you land on the correct platform. Once you're on the site, look for the Create section to view a grid of generated images. This gallery is a great place to find a strong starting point. Pick an image that contains the object you want to keep. In this example, we'll preserve a mug while changing everything around it. Click the image to open it. Next, open the editor by clicking Edit. Inside the editor, choose the Erase tool. The idea here is simple. We're going to remove the entire background while keeping the object intact. Carefully brush over everything except the mug. Take your time and work methodically around edges. Zoom in for precision. Adjust brush size so you can cut tight corners without nicking the subject, and use a softer brush edge to avoid harsh transitions. If the object has shadows or reflections that make it look grounded, try to keep those too. They help the final composite feel realistic. With the background masked out, it's time to guide Midjourney on what to generate in the erased area. Write a clear prompt that describes the new environment you want behind the mug. For example, you could use, "A tree in an elegant, modern concrete pot stands on the ground in front of gray-blue walls. Next to it is a bench and stairs leading up from below. Photorealistic, high resolution, R12885. Think about matching perspective, lighting, and mood to the original subject. If the mug is lit from the left, describe a scene that would plausibly have light coming from the same direction. If you need a wide frame, keep the aspect ratio parameter aligned with your composition so the subject sits comfortably in the scene. When your prompt looks good, click Submit Edit. Midjourney will process the request, fill the erased background based on your prompt, and blend it with the object you preserved. Review the result carefully. If something feels off, like a rough edge, mismatched lighting, or a background element competing with your subject, go back to the editor, refine the erase mask, tweak the prompt wording for clarity, and submit again. Iterating is normal and often where the magic happens. Once you're happy with the transformation, you're done. You've successfully reimagined the scene while keeping your original object front and center.